Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we are going to talk about how to fix the Sunbeam electric blanket when it is blinking F2. This video will explore everything you need and provide methods of shielding your electric blanket from the nuisance of receiving low current, so make sure you stick around for the best guide. Check the device's connections. The most common reason for the blanket blinking F2 is not getting enough current. This is because there is an issue with the placement of the blanket's cord in the electrical outlet. Likely, the cord is not firmly in place. Another probable explanation is a miscommunication between the controller and the blanket. These both imply an issue with the connections. To fix this, take the blanket's power cord out of the electrical outlet. Next, inspect the controller. Ensure that its connection to the blanket module is not loose. Upon doing this, put the power cord back in the electrical socket. An alternative solution involves swapping the controllers. Take your blanket and test an alternative controller on it. If you deem it necessary, get a new controller for your blanket. Examine the blanket for damage. There could be signs of damage on your blanket. Among these signs are damaged wires. These cause a probable safety hazard. Consequently, the blanket will start blinking F2. To determine if this is the case, inspect the blanket's surface keenly. As you do this, examine the blanket's edges, seams, and corners attentively. Look out for naked heating elements and defective wires. If you spot any damage, discontinue the blanket's use immediately. Then consider getting another blanket. If you notice minor signs of damage, consider repairing them. You could do this using electrical tape. However, be careful when doing the repairs. You could ask a professional to assist you with this. Tackle overheating issues. The electric blanket has features that protect it from overheating. Circumstances that cause the blanket to have high temperatures are risky. When the blanket detects temperature spikes, it starts blinking F2. That would occur if the temperature level went beyond its predetermined safe limits. That said, you need to address issues indicating high temperatures. Start by ensuring you have set appropriate temperatures. Furthermore, refrain from using the blanket for longer than the recommended duration. Lastly, do not place heavy covering on the blanket. Moreover, always keep the heating vents unobstructed. So there you have it. Fixing your Sunbeam electric blanket that blinks F2 should be very easy to keep it functional while staying safe from potential hazards. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure you drop them below and like this video. Till next time.